good. I'm here for an unboxing. I'm super excited. The company Wiskf has asked if I wanted to do another collaboration, and they have a ton of new different products. So I'm very excited to share this with you. All the details and information will be in the description box below. So go and check it out, and go and check them out because they have amazing products. I just love them so much. So let's check this out. So first, this one here is a little tote bag, canvas tote bag. And the reason why I chose this one in particular is because it has a cat, but it's also in books. Look at him. Oh, just love it. What's there not to love? I mean, you've got books, you've got an owl, and you've got a cat. Just so stunning. And I've been all into going to the library. Like, I'm really obsessed with library right now, so I thought this would be the perfect bag to carry all my books to the library and back. So very happy about this one. Just so cute, so cute. I've been using those bags for all my art stuff, and they're still in amazing condition, which is awesome because I've been carrying it back and forth. And then there was this fuzzy, oh, so soft little pocket, and I thought that would be the perfect pocket to put a journal. You could put your toiletries, obviously, but in my case it's to put journals or pencils, but most probably a journal, because a 5 by I believe a 5 by 7 would fit in. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. So even with the thickness, it's gonna fit, and it's just so pretty. I just love the colors, and the texture is just so fun. And then I just couldn't resist this cute, adorable crossover little bag. So I love going to garage sales and stuff like that, and you always need to bring a little bag with you to put in your wallet and maybe a few of those foldable bags. And check out the cutest cat. So there's this cute little cat that looks like it wants to come out, and this is just a super fun little pouch, and it has a little pocket here, and see there's a little pocket here as well. So I just love this because it's very portable. You've got this that you can hang over your shoulder, so that you have like your hands are free. And I just thought it was just super sweet. It was really hard choosing which product to showcase because they're just all so beautiful. I know that there's some of my subscribers that have already gotten some bags from them and love the quality. They're very quick as well in the shipping, so definitely recommend it. Very cute. So this will be my little go-to bag for this upcoming garage sale season. Look at the eyes. I mean, I wasn't sure how it would look in person, but it's just so sweet, so sweet, and just perfect size to put your wallet and maybe your glasses. So yeah, so this is amazing. I want to thank the company Wiskf for giving me the opportunity to showcase their product again. I really appreciate this collaboration, and yeah, so go and check them out. I'm sure you're gonna love them. Just the bag in itself is a beautiful gift. So if you want to have a little gift I love having a few of these ready to go for when I have gifts to bring to people, because the little paper bags, they don't last, and the little handle breaks and then they get tossed away, whereas this they can be used for a long time. So definitely recommend. So oh my god, and I just noticed that it has name of like this says The Tale of Two Kitties. So instead of The Tale of Two Cities from Dickens. That's just so sweet. Canterbury Tales. I'm not sure what that one is. Cat of Nine Tails. Oh, they're all so sweet. Renowned Persian Mousetraps. How to Catnap with a Smile. Field Guide to the Garbage Can. Oh my god, Holy Cats. Wallowing in Garbage. That's so adorable. I didn't realize that it had that they had put those names. Yeah, just so super sweet. So anyway, go and check them out in the description box below, and I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.